after SuperSport United, you see Stellenbosch FC, PSL is the most run club. These guys, they know how to make business. Bayakwazi ukwenza business. Yabona mekuthiwa iclub uyenza business. These guys know how to do that. Yabo ibona bene SuperSport United, they know how to run a club. Ngisazowenza ivideo SuperSport United, but ngifuna ukufocusa kubo ku Stellenbosch kule video. Cela ubuke in the last 3 years abadlala sebadayisile in the last 3 years. Ashley Dupree, uZitha Kwenika, uAbraham Jabba, uJunior Mendieta, Olwethu Makhanya, Sibongiseni Mthethwa, uVan Rooyen, beno Ikram Reyners kule windi leli. Indlela abamuva ngayo, they know how to operate club. Bayakwazi ukuthola italente, balishintshe lelo talente libe umdlali mase balidayisa lelo talente ngemali eningi. And leyo nto leyo, that is how you run a club. Yabona nje na abadlali abathathu la, uPasadino, Adams benoTore. uTore lo ufuna uyiKaizer Chiefs uyi-defender. You see, i-team ekanje i-team enayo inqubela phambili because they know how to source italente, balishintshe italente. I-team yabo adidlala, adiwine i-DDC. Bawina i-DDC bayale e-England, bayodlala i-tournament yase-England. I-youth yakhona adiyodlala i-tournament lapha e-England. Bafike bayiwine i-tournament, bashaya ama-team lapha. Ama-team aphesheya, like iy'ngane zaphesheya bayishaya and bawinile. Lo badlala, bi-group yabo badlala, bazo-introducewa kwi-Betway Premiership nje bizoqala nje. Bazo-introducewa ku-first 11. Bazothola i-experience. Badlale ku-PSL mase beyadayiswa futhi, badayiswe ngenye imali eningi. This is how you run a club, yabo. Ama-team amaningi ngempela ku-PSL awalibona elidlalayo. Team yami Orlando Pirates angifuqa amanga ayilibona elidlalayo. These guys know how to operate a club. Stellenbosch bene SuperSport, they know how to operate a club. Mamelodi Sundowns ayilibona elidlalayo, neKaizer imbala ayilibona elidlalayo la, because these guys, they know how to transform umdlali imenze something else. And I hope indlela abamuva ngayo izogqugquzela ama-team amaningi ku-PSL ukuthi baba investe kakhulu kwi-youth. Bangavele bayiyekele i-youth kwamanye ama-club ephelelwa ama-career. Ba-investe kwi-youth, i-youth ibona iyona ezokwenza imali i-youth. Hayi le iyokulanda amakhehla. Yabona into eyenziwe imagesi iyabheda impela. Investa kwi-youth, i-youth izokulethela imali eclubini. Yabo, ungadedela abadlali bayodlala imali yokushina amakhaya masebephelelwa ama-career. Cha, investe kuyintwana. Thatha imali uinveste ey'ntwaneni. I-team yakho noma ungangapha phezulu. Investe ey'ntwaneni. Now School of Excellence la. Maningi ama-superstars waziyo manje asuka le ku School of Excellence because ba-investa kwi-youth. Yabo, ama-team amaningi nje esenze njalo manje. Sundowns yathenga under 13 weSuperSport United. Yeah, ba-invest. I-Sundowns indlela emuva ngayo kwi-youth yayo yathenga ngisho abadlali beKaizer bayingane. Yabo, so ama-team amaningi mase afunde u-investa kwi-youth because i-future manje yona future youth. Ulodlalisa lamakhehla, amakhehla angifuqa amawa fethu. Amakhehla agcwele ku-PSL ku-DStv and awenza i-4-goal. Ba-add ama-numbers nje. Angifuqa ama baningi abadlala ba-add ama-numbers abangawenza umsebenzi ku-PSL. But siyabuka nje ibhola. Yabo nje yade ngibuka igame esikhukhune neCape Town City. Ade ngibuka imbudana kusile ibhola leli like bengizela kule match leya. Indlela ade ngibuka ngayo. Ishube nje isiphela ngale yahindi washaya igoli yabo. So most abadlali la kugcwele amakhehla yabo asephelele ushatini. Kanti mwase uintroduce izingane zidlale. Yabo ungathola inqubela phambili. Bayakwazi ukurun i-team la Stellenbosch. Ngokwakho lapho yipi team oyibonayo ekwazi ukurun i-team la ku-PSL. Mina ngokwami ngibona iStellenbosch neCape Town neSuperSport.